Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I've come to you with a Monday motivation and today's topic is going to be success. But before I get into it, I just want to say whatever success is to you, whatever meaning you have of it, that is what success is. Do not worry about nobody else's meaning of success. Now if success to you is getting through a week okay, solving all your problems and making it to the end, that is what success is. Nobody else's meaning but yours, okay? Your journey, their journey, completely different. Now the reason I want to talk about success is because I know many people that have dreams and have goals and they're on the right path to doing it, but then they meet a challenge along the way and then they stop because it's too hard and they can't do it and they've never experienced it before. But it doesn't mean you should stop. It does not mean you should stop. It's like when you're driving. When you're driving, the road is not always smooth. There's a bit of speed bumps here and there. But there's speed bumps because it's slowing you down to prepare you for the next road. That's what your challenge is doing. It's preparing you for your next step. Because I'm going to be honest with you, it's only going to get harder, but it's only going to get harder because it's preparing you for when you get to your destination. So when you're at your destination and you're at your destiny, you will be equipped and whatever problem pops up, you'll be able to solve it. So don't think because you meet a challenge and it's a bit rough and you've never experienced it before that you should stop. No, nothing worth having is easy, and I've said this before in many videos. So please, if you meet a challenge, if times are hard, times are rough, it won't last. You just need to keep pushing for it, and I'm pretty sure that whatever is meant for you is going to be for you, and your destination is there waiting for you. It's just waiting for you to fight for it. Alright, so remember, success comes with challenges, and just because you meet a challenge, it doesn't mean you should make it discourage you or you should stop because it's too hard. Keep going, keep pushing, keep striving, and I hope you achieve your dreams and your goals. I wanted to keep this sweet and short. I'm not quite sure if it's short because I rumbled on a lot, but I hope you took something from this, and I hope you're a bit motivated, and I will see you in another video. Thank you guys, and bye.